We are the members of Group 2, myself, Ormala Prasad, Sarika Diunaran, Zanjibila Bacchus, Ashana Mackenzie, and Ken George. Transformation. What is a transformation? A transformation is a general term for four specific ways to manipulate a shape and or position of a point, a line, or a geometric figure. The original shape of the object is called the pre-image, and the final shape and position of the object is the image under the transformation. There are four types of transformation. The major types are translation, rotation, dilation, and reflection. And our group will be looking at translation.
Translation. Translation is defined as moving the object in space by keeping its size, shape, or orientation constant. Meaning, nothing changes on the shape except for its position. In translation, each point of the shape must be moved in the same direction and for the same distance. When you are doing a translation, the primary object is called pre-image, and the object after the translation is called the image. On the example there, let's do the translation A, B, C, D, E, that is the pre-image. And you see the arrow pointing downwards to that one there, A image, B image, C image, and so on. That is the image of the pre-image.
Translation. Translation is a type of transformation that we encounter daily in real life. It is the movement of a shape from one place to another. This movement involves the changing of the position or coordinates on a plane. Translations are slide or shift. Translations can be achieved by performing two composite reflections over parallel lines. Translations are isometric and preserve orientation. Coordinate plane rules are x, y is mapped onto x plus or minus h, y plus or minus k, where h and k are the horizontal and vertical shifts. However, the change does not involve changing in the size of the shape or the direction in which it faces. There is no flipping. The shapes simply move to a new position. Every point in the object is moved in the same distance in the same direction. Shapes can move along a horizontal plane, that is left to right. Negative values represent horizontal movements from left to right.
Examples of translation in real life. Elevators are used to move people and other objects from one floor to another. Elevators move up and down along a vertical plane. There is no change in their shape, size, or orientation during the movement. Airplanes. Flying across the sky, airplanes move along a horizontal plane as they move across the sky. There is no change in shape, size, or orientation of the airplane as it moves from one point in the sky to another. Translation is used in aircraft navigation to ensure aircrafts keep to their course and avoid accidents such as mid-air collisions with other aircrafts. Pictures showing translation. Example, translating a point. Translate point B 2 and -1 up 3 units and to the right 4 units. As you can see here shown in the image, the coordinates of B are 6 and 2 now. Example 2. Translating a figure. Translate triangle DEF to the right 6 units and down 3 units. As you can see here in the image showing.
Real-life examples of translations of shapes are aircraft moving through the sky, the lever of a tap moving up and down, using a needle on a sewing machine, throwing a ball to each other, and a game of checkers. The aircraft moving through the sky, it moves from one point to another, so that shows translation. The lever of a tap moving up and down, that shows translation. And using a needle on a sewing machine, when you're sewing the needle, as you move the cloth, the needle would go up and down, and that shows translation as well. And throwing a ball to each other, it moves from one person to another, that shows translation. And here we also have some images on real life translation, and that is the aircraft moving through the sky and throwing a ball. That's the end. Thank you.